I'm going to show you something that most retail investors never notice. While millions of investors are busy chasing the next hot stock or reacting to scary headlines, some of Wall Street's biggest institutions continue putting billions of dollars into the same handful of companies. These aren't random bets, and they certainly aren't based on luck. They're calculated decisions backed by years of research, financial analysis, and long-term thinking. So the question is, what do these investors know that most people don't? Today, we're breaking down 6 companies that continue attracting attention from professional investors. These aren't penny stocks promising overnight riches. They're businesses with enormous competitive advantages, powerful cash flow, and positions that many believe could become even stronger over the next decade. But here's the interesting part. The final company on today's list isn't the fastest growing stock. It isn't the flashiest name in artificial intelligence. And yet, it might actually be the smartest investment of them all. So make sure you stick around until the end, because once you see what all 6 companies have in common, you'll start looking at investing through a completely different lens. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is assuming that Wall Street is always trying to predict what happens next week or next month. In reality, the largest investment firms usually think much further ahead. They're asking questions like, which companies will still dominate their industries 10 years from now? Which businesses have enough financial strength to survive recessions, technological changes, and increasing competition? That's a completely different way of investing. Instead of chasing excitement, they look for durability. Instead of following trends, they focus on businesses capable of generating consistent profits for years. That's exactly the mindset behind today's list. Now, before we begin, let me make one thing clear. None of these stocks are guaranteed to make you money, and this isn't financial advice. Every investment involves risk. The goal of this video is to understand why professional investors continue paying attention to these companies despite all the uncertainty in today's market. And as we move through the list, pay attention to the similarities between them, because there's one characteristic they all share. Once you notice it, you'll understand why these businesses continue showing up in institutional portfolios year after year. Let's start with the company almost everyone associates with artificial intelligence. NVIDIA. Just a few years ago, NVIDIA was mostly known for making graphics cards for gamers. Today, it's one of the most important companies in the entire technology sector. Why? Because artificial intelligence requires enormous computing power. Whenever companies build advanced AI models, train machine learning systems, or expand massive data centers, they need specialized processors capable of handling incredibly complex calculations. That's exactly where NVIDIA dominates. Its GPUs have become the industry standard for AI development, giving the company an enormous competitive advantage over many of its rivals. This isn't simply about selling computer chips anymore. NVIDIA has positioned itself as one of the key infrastructure providers for the entire AI economy. And that's a massive difference. Think about it this way. During a gold rush, many people focused on finding gold. Others made fortunes selling the tools everyone needed. NVIDIA has become one of those essential tool providers. Whether it's Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google, or countless AI startups, many depend on NVIDIA's technology to power their artificial intelligence systems. That's one reason institutional investors continue holding the stock despite its incredible price appreciation over the past few years. They believe the demand for AI infrastructure may still be in its early stages. Of course, there are risks. Competition is becoming stronger. Customers are investing in their own custom chips. And expectations for future growth are already extremely high. That means even a small disappointment in earnings could create significant volatility. But if artificial intelligence continues expanding across industries, NVIDIA remains one of the companies best positioned to benefit from that long-term trend. Now let's move to another company that's transformed itself into something much bigger than most people realize. Amazon. Ask the average person what Amazon does, and they'll probably say online shopping. That's true. But it's only a small part of the overall story. Amazon has quietly built one of the most diversified business models in the world. Its cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services, powers thousands of businesses across nearly every industry imaginable. Many companies you use every single day rely on AWS without you even realizing it. Then there's Amazon's advertising business. While Google and Meta usually dominate conversations about digital advertising, Amazon has become one of the fastest-growing advertising platforms on the planet. Why? Because companies want to advertise where customers are already prepared to buy. That creates an incredibly valuable business with attractive profit margins. And now artificial intelligence is becoming another major growth driver. Amazon is integrating AI into cloud services, logistics, customer experiences, and business software. Rather than depending on one single product, Amazon continues building multiple engines for future growth. That's exactly the kind of diversification professional investors often appreciate. If one business slows down, another can continue driving overall performance. And perhaps even more importantly, Amazon generates enormous cash flow that allows it to keep investing billions of dollars into innovation while many competitors simply can't keep up. That's one of the biggest advantages large companies have. They don't just survive technological change. They often lead it. If you're enjoying this type of analysis and want more videos focused on long-term investing instead of short-term market hype, consider subscribing. Every week, we break down the companies, trends, and market signals that matter most for serious investors. Now let's move to the third company on our list. Alphabet. At first glance, some investors believe Google's best growth years are already behind it. After all, online search has existed for decades. But that's only looking at one piece of an incredibly large business. In reality, Alphabet has quietly become one of the strongest companies positioned to benefit from the future of artificial intelligence. Most people think of Google as a search engine. Professional investors see something much bigger. They see one of the world's largest collections of data, one of the biggest cloud computing businesses, billions of daily users across multiple platforms, and one of the strongest balance sheets in corporate America. And that combination creates opportunities that very few companies can match. Alphabet isn't just competing in artificial intelligence, it has been investing in it for years. From advanced language models to AI-powered search, cloud services, and productivity tools, the company is embedding artificial intelligence across nearly every part of its business. That gives Alphabet something many competitors don't have, an existing ecosystem with billions of users already relying on its products every single day. Think about it for a moment. When a new technology emerges, it's much easier to introduce it to billions of existing users than it is to build an entirely new customer base from scratch. That's one reason many institutional investors remain confident in Alphabet's long-term future. The company also generates tens of billions of dollars in free cash flow every year. That financial strength gives management the flexibility to continue investing heavily in innovation while also buying back shares and maintaining one of the strongest balance sheets in the technology sector. But here's something even more important. So far, we've looked at three completely different businesses. One dominates AI hardware. Another leads e-commerce and cloud computing. The third controls one of the largest digital ecosystems in the world. Yet all three share one critical characteristic. They don't simply react to change. They create it. That's exactly what separates truly exceptional companies from businesses that eventually fall behind. Now let's move to company number 4. Meta Platforms. Not very long ago, Meta became one of the most criticized companies on Wall Street. Billions of dollars were being invested into the metaverse. Investors questioned management's decisions, and the stock lost a significant portion of its value. Many people believe the company's best days were over. But that's not what happened. Instead of continuing down the same path, Meta made one of the most impressive corporate turnarounds in recent years. Management aggressively reduced costs, improved efficiency, streamlined operations, and shifted its focus back toward profitability. At the same time, artificial intelligence dramatically improved the company's advertising platform. Meta's algorithms became better at helping businesses reach the right customers, increasing advertising performance, while making its platforms even more valuable for marketers. Today, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Threads collectively reach billions of people around the world. That scale creates an enormous competitive advantage that's incredibly difficult for competitors to replicate. The more users Meta has, the more attractive its advertising platform becomes. And the stronger its advertising business becomes, the more resources it has available to invest in future technologies. That's a powerful cycle. Institutional investors often look for businesses capable of generating large amounts of cash while continuing to innovate. Meta fits that description remarkably well. Of course, risks still exist. Regulatory pressure remains significant. Competition from emerging social media platforms continues. And artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly. But despite those challenges, Meta remains one of the most profitable technology companies in the world. Now let's move to a company that doesn't receive nearly as much media attention as Nvidia or Meta. Broadcom. Many retail investors overlook Broadcom because it's not a household name. Yet behind the scenes, it plays a critical role in powering the digital economy. Broadcom develops semiconductor solutions, networking equipment, and enterprise software used throughout cloud computing infrastructure, telecommunications, and artificial intelligence systems. As AI data centers continue expanding around the world, demand isn't limited to advanced processors. Those massive facilities also require high-speed networking equipment capable of moving enormous amounts of data with incredible efficiency. That's exactly where Broadcom becomes essential. In many ways, you can think of Broadcom as one of the companies building the highways that allow artificial intelligence to function. Without efficient networking infrastructure, even the most powerful processors can't reach their full potential. That's one reason many professional investors continue paying attention to Broadcom despite receiving far less attention from financial media. The company has also built a reputation for disciplined acquisitions, strong profitability, and consistent cash generation. Those characteristics tend to attract long-term investors looking beyond the next quarterly earnings report. Finally, we arrive at the last company on today's list. And in many ways, it might be the most fascinating of them all. Berkshire Hathaway. Unlike the other companies we discussed today, Berkshire isn't built around one specific technology or one fast-growing industry. Instead, it's a collection of outstanding businesses operating across insurance, railroads, energy, manufacturing, consumer products, and dozens of other sectors. On top of that, Berkshire owns significant stakes in many of America's largest public companies. For decades, Warren Buffett built Berkshire around one simple philosophy: buy outstanding businesses, manage capital carefully, think long-term, ignore short-term market noise. That philosophy has helped Berkshire become one of the most respected investment companies in history. While some investors constantly chase the next exciting stock, Berkshire focuses on building wealth through patience, discipline, and intelligent capital allocation. It may never be the most exciting company on your watch list, but that's precisely why so many professional investors continue respecting it. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture. At first glance, these 6 companies seem completely different. Nvidia leads AI hardware. Amazon dominates e-commerce, and cloud computing. Alphabet controls one of the world's largest digital ecosystems. Meta generates enormous advertising revenue through its social platforms. Broadcom provides critical technology infrastructure. And Berkshire Hathaway represents one of the greatest collections of businesses ever assembled. Different industries, different business models, different management teams. But they all have something incredibly important in common. They generate enormous amounts of cash. They possess competitive advantages that are extremely difficult to replicate. They invest continuously in future growth instead of simply protecting today's profits. And perhaps most importantly, they're managed with a long-term mindset rather than focusing solely on the next quarter. That's the pattern professional investors often look for before committing billions of dollars. Does owning these companies guarantee investment success? Absolutely not. Markets change. Competition increases. Economic conditions evolve. Even the strongest businesses experience setbacks from time to time. But studying why institutional investors continue buying and holding companies like these can completely change the way you evaluate investment opportunities. Instead of asking, "What's the hottest stock right now?" you begin asking much better questions. Which companies are building lasting competitive advantages? Which businesses generate enough cash to keep growing through difficult times? Which management teams consistently make smart long-term decisions? Those questions can make the difference between investing based on emotion and investing based on quality. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these 6 companies do you believe has the strongest long-term future? Or is there another stock you think deserves to be on this list? Share your opinion in the comments below. I read as many of them as I can, and it's always interesting to see which companies investors are most excited about. And if you want to discover another market signal that many professional investors pay close attention to, but most retail investors completely ignore, click on the video on your screen right now. It explains an overlooked indicator that has historically helped investors understand where the market could be heading long before it becomes front-page news.